And good morning, everybody. Welcome. I'm your host, Eric, on weather forecast. I am very glad to be back. I have had some issues with my camera, and I wanted to come on and let you guys know that I'm fine with that. So I guess I'll probably be on for a little bit. I am very, very sorry. I really apologize. I always look forward to doing weather forecasts and everything like that. So there's actually a lot of few of the exciting things that I wanted to share with you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and tell you that. Just to let you know, now when I do my weather forecast, you will notice that there'll be some changes. You'll find out when I do my forecast later. You will find that there'll be uh, a new look to my channel. You're gonna actually like you know the new features and stuff. I spent a lot of time figuring out how I wanted to like redo my channel and make it look a little bit more like spoken out, a little bit more uh, you know presentable. Um, it it was very very hard for me to actually put all of it together. So I've been up all night the last 2 nights just trying to basically create um, my my channel and how I'm gonna do it. So it's all gonna be all brand new. You're gonna see all different features. The way it's done, I decided that I'm gonna be doing my weather a different way now. Um, I am also going to make sure that you guys get up to date severe weather updates and all of that. And then also in every single forecast, you guys will also be seeing uh, uh, actually for a radar, and it will have the ones that will have like the warnings and watches and all that kind of stuff that they normally do, like when you watch the Weather Channel and stuff like that. So, I I've been doing a lot of research and all this kind of stuff, and it's just I'm really really into the weather. I pretty much know what what you have to deal with weather on a daily basis, and I know that this year has been really exciting with our snowstorms and stuff. So I am looking forward to um, making all of these exciting things happen. I'm really really trying my hardest um, to see come down the line. Maybe I might get a reward. I'm really trying really hard to get a YouTube reward, so I will be doing a shout out video. Um, One of these months, I'll do a shout out video and all of that, so that will be really exciting. Um, and I just feel bad because I wasn't on for a couple of days. I'm going to be on for a little bit, so I can tell you some other stuff. So um, I really, really like doing forecasts a lot. I will be doing actually a small video. I have another thing that I did is I went shopping and I got another camera, and I have one that I'll be able. I'm still gonna be able. I'm gonna do my videos and things like that. But it's actually one that's like a smaller type of camera that you can take with you. It's not like regular camera. It's actually a small one like this. And I can still make my videos, and I can still put them on there and everything. So we'll have all the weather stuff, and I have like memory card in there that will have enough memory in there. So I'm just trying to make things a lot more improved and everything. I don't like Uh, I never like to ever miss a day of weather ever. Um, the thing is, weather is just a really exciting thing, and that's all I ever look for. Is every single day when I get up in the morning, that is the first thing that I do. That's always been the hobby that I've done. It's the thing that I've always done. I know all about safety and like how much time you have, like for warnings and watches and tornadoes and stuff. I know the more like the warning systems are getting better. I kind of find it that we're getting more time to get to where we got to go. I like it that they're giving us more time, and it's actually important that we do get that extra lead time for severe weather, um, because safe, our safety is our number one priority. Safety is our number one priority. I'm glad that we have all this time. I like it that we get an advance warning and we know what's coming and everything. I'm glad that it's not where you have um, like maybe 5 or 10 minutes to get like let's say it's a tornado warning or something like that for an example, and it's just a couple of minutes or something. I don't know how they did it a long time ago, but I kind of like it. Um, how accurate our weather has gotten and the way the forecasts and all of that have really improved. I'm really being more focused on it, listening in, and if there's something I don't understand, I do the research and stuff. The same thing with the different tools and stuff on radars and all of that. I'm also doing research on that, looking it up, trying to figure out, how does it work, what does it do, and everything. So I do a lot of research, and if it's something that I want to learn on my own without any help, I just automatically will do the research and look it up and stuff. And I know it's hard to uh, put everything all together, and especially if it's something that you want to do on your own with no one's help, that's a good thing. I'm just really surprised how well I'm doing with my research. I do a lot of researching every day, and with the way our snowstorms that we've had, I looked at the GFS models, and it is like back to back. Um, so I thinking to myself, is this going to be another busy year for severe weather? Is what I'm thinking, and that's the one thing that's exciting right now. Is this a sign telling me that it might be a busy year for an active severe weather year? Is what I keep thinking about. So, like randomly over and over and over again. So, um, I'm thinking that it is because it has been busy. You know, so now I wonder after winter is done, after we're done with that part of the severe weather event, what will we be expecting uh, in the spring, in the summer, and all that kind of stuff, and then hot temperatures and things like that. So, um, really, and I'm not used to this Arctic air. That was the other thing I was going to share with you. Oh my gosh, I've had to bundle up, you guys, and really stay warm. I mean, wow, I'm pretty brave, but this is really some cold weather that we've been having. So, like I said, I really like weather. That's the most hobby that I've always had. Um, I, I I just love it. I just love it. It's the most exciting thing in the whole world. And there's not a lot of things that really excite me, but it seems like the weather is actually the most. Um, oh, hello there. Um, yes, I do agree. Yeah, we've had some really bad wind chills. Good thing. The wind chills have been really bad. I'm trying to stay like in the house because to make this short, it's very difficult for me to be walking out in this. I mean, I have been in pain the last couple of days because of how bad this cold has been, and it's been really difficult. So that's part of the reason why I was not able to come on and do um, a live stream is because basically it was due to the weather and everything. I wasn't making an excuse or anything. It was just all due to all of this cold and frigid temperature stuff that we're dealing with, and it's not really anything that I like. I just um, wish we had spring weather, but unfortunately, we got to get through winter first. So the other thing is the other thing that's also on my mind is that whenever there's winter weather, the other thing I also think about are people. I think about people as well. I think about elderly. I think about everybody. I'm thinking about all of these people or people that could be out in the cold and people that don't even have, a place to stay warm. You know, there's a lot of things that I do care about, even though that it's weather related. There are a lot of other things that are the most important, and people are one of them, especially with this Arctic air and everything. Everyone's just trying to keep everything, safe, and you just got to be careful with the Arctic air kind of weather. I don't like it. I wish it would be a fast type of thing where it'd be like for a couple of days and it's gone. But the thing of it is that I'm not used to temperatures that cold. So it's like hurry up and get what you need and hurry up and get back inside. So pretty much that's how that goes. But honestly, you guys are the best. The best the best viewers, the best subscribers that I've ever had. You guys are the best, the number one best. I really appreciate all of the support that I'm getting. Even though that I wasn't able to do a broadcast, you guys are still with me, and thank you. Uh, that is a blessing. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. I really do. It's just if I don't do weather, I don't want to give up. If it's something that I start like if I start doing something that I really like with weather, if I start doing weather, I don't want to give up on it. I want to keep going and going. So I'm basically like a train that just keeps going and going and going. That's pretty much what it is. So a couple of things that I'm going to do today um, that I want to share with the audience. I'm going to start. I know that there's snow outside, but I'm gonna do like maybe a couple of short or maybe a couple of minutes um of the snowpack. I wanted to actually do of a bill or yeah of that. I'm not really gonna be out like really long, but I weather uh a weather event that I really want to do. I'll make sure that I do everything in my best uh, schedule to see. Oh, hello. How are you doing today? Thank you for joining me this afternoon, and welcome to Air's weather forecast. Thank you so much for uh, tuning in. Thank you so much. Glad that you could join me this afternoon. Thank you so much. Um, anyway, I'm still here. So what I basically wanted to talk about is spend a little time and talk to you guys a little bit about a few other announcements. So as far as weather coverage goes, I'm going to do everything that I can. I've done a lot of thinking on it, and I kind of like it. Um, yes, school closings and all that kind of stuff. That wouldn't be a bad idea. I'm doing a lot of thinking on that, and that's still in the making. I'm still thinking about it. I haven't been able to sleep for 2 nights because I've got all of these ideas that some of the viewers have told me about. So I'm trying to really uh, figure this out. So I should probably have an answer to this hopefully this week. So, yes, there'll be school closings. I'm going to do my best to put all this together too. So, and then I'll be able to show you exactly how it's all set up. Hold on just a second. I get an interruption here. Oh, it's an alert from the weather service. I don't know what's going on. Just a moment. Oh, alrighty then. I'll have to look at that in just a moment. It's some kind of a weather alert, so I'll have to check that out in a minute. It's been a very, very, very busy uh, day. So, anyway, so this is going to be an exciting year. I practically think it will be a very exciting year for us. I'm hoping. It seems like it's quite busy, but I kind of like the way the weather models are looking. Definitely, um, I hear that we've got two major snowstorms on the way. Wow, that's incredible. So now I wonder how much snow we're going to get out of that. Well, we'll find out because I still have snow on the ground from the last snowstorm that we had, and now I don't know how much we'll be getting with this one. So we'll have to see. That will be excuse me, quite interesting. So I'll have to see what happens with that. So, um, let me think. Can you guys tell me? Actually, I wanted to talk about how are the weather conditions right now where you guys are at? How is how is the snowstorm? How are the road conditions and all that stuff? Um, how bad did you guys get hit? Because I know that Ohio yesterday they had that winter storm yesterday, and um, alerts and stuff were going around. Like UPS was saying that Ohio was being impacted by that winter storm. So I didn't know if the Northeast got hit really bad or if Ohio did. I'm not sure, but I had other things going on yesterday, but I will be paying attention today. Today will actually be the first day that you guys actually see the new look of what you guys will be seeing when I do the weather forecast. So that will be coming up in just a little bit. I am putting everything together. Sorry that it's taking a little bit longer than I thought it was going to be. It's just a kind of a little bit longer process because I'm setting it up, and then every once I'm done with it, everything will be up on the screen, and then I won't have to continue to do that. It's just I guess I have to get up a little bit more earlier so I can set my page up in my script and all that kind of stuff. So, all right. So, anyway, let me look at one other thing really quick, and then I'm gonna see if there's anything else that we need to talk about. Sorry that there's so much to say today. It's just I want to kind of catch up on everything. So we're basically on the same page. So, all right, 1 second. Looking for something. One moment. Where are we at? Here. All right. Okay, so we'll actually do one quick. We'll actually do this really quick. We're gonna go ahead and do the extended. Well, I'm gonna do just what the temperature is right now, and that something really short. So it all depends on where you're at. Another thing that I could maybe do, I could try, um, is maybe do like a 10-day forecast. If you guys want me to do like a 10-day forecast, you'll have to let me know. I basically I maybe we could even talk about ideas and stuff. I would like to keep that in mind. So if you would like me to maybe do that, I could do my best. Um, I had did a lot of thinking on it, and I wanted to know what you guys maybe would think about it. You'd have to let me know. Oh, okay, yeah. So I will surprise you guys, and you'll see what happens today. So just one quick weather update, really quick, and this is basically going to be for Memphis, Michigan. Right now, the temperature is 17 degrees, and it feels like 17 degrees. Um, the high for today for Memphis, Michigan is 20 degrees, and the low is going down all the way to 4 degrees. That is very cold. And it's mostly cloudy skies and sun. There's actually sunshine, so it's mostly cloudy and sunny, but very cold out there. So bundle up and wear extra layer of clothing as well, boots and all that kind of stuff, hats and scarves and all that good stuff. So, yep. So, yeah, I did look at all of the lows. It's very cold. So, just bundle up. It looks like we're going to be in that pattern for a while. I can see that we've got really cold lows. So a lot of days where we're going to be dealing with frigid temperatures, I already see that. So I pretty much get the idea of what we're dealing with. So we just have to hang on tight, and hopefully there'll be some improvements come down the line. Hopefully soon. We just have to hang on. Is what we have to do. All right, let me look and see if there's anything else that I wanted to talk about. All right, so I'm gonna do my very best to get everything up as quickly as I can. So after I'm done with this, I'm going to do another live stream, and that one will be a lot more different than what you're seeing right now because I'm still setting it up, and you guys are really going to like what you guys are going to see. It's going to be really exciting. It is going to be the best weather forecast that you've ever seen. So that's why I'm on here, staying on with you guys a little bit longer because I kind of feel that you guys need more time to hear about all the exciting things that I'm going to be doing. So I'm very excited about that. So. The other thing I'm also thinking about doing is like thinking about doing like uh, shout out videos. That's another thing that I've been thinking about, and updates. Um, like maybe a quick like up video updates would basically be announcements on like upcoming storms or anything like that. So I have all of the stuff written out. School closings, yes, that is a yes. So if people are asking me about school closings in Michigan, Southeast Michigan, I am definitely with you. Yes, school closings and weather alerts. Yes, I hear you guys. Yes, that I'll make sure that happens. Most definitely. Traffic, traffic alerts. That's another thing that I'm also looking into. I'm gonna see how I can or or what do you want to call it? Weather report. I will let you know. So if I'm not doing announcement made, to let you guys know that. So um okay. I'm just trying to think if there's anything else. I am having difficulties because of the signal stuff, but that's due to the weather. But I'm still here. So I'm trying to think if there was anything else that I needed to cover because there's some other things that I have to also do, but I'm trying to make sure that everything is up to date and everybody knows what's going on and what to expect. So I'm gonna see how well today's how I set it up and everything. It's actually like homework. You got to figure out how to make them and design the way you want your page to look and stuff like that. Um, so yeah, you guys are gonna like how it is. It's gonna be awesome. So it will be a big surprise. Um, what you guys will see when I do my live streams and forecasts now. I'm very excited. So you'll be seeing more weather. Okay, you'll be seeing more weather blogs. So if I'm out, there's gonna be a whole bunch of exciting things that are gonna happen. So if there, even power outages too. Power outages are part of severe weather, so that will mainly be another thing that I will also add on there as well. And then if there isn't going to be, if there's power outages, you most definitely can count on me, and I'll see that that's another part of the weather too. It will be part of the weather, and that's breaking news. So that's breaking news as well. So it's going to be an exciting year. I'm going to make it exciting. So each and every day, I'll give you guys an update as quickly as I can, and so we go from there. I'm looking forward to that. So, alrighty then. I'm trying to think if there was anything else that I wanted to talk about. Um, One second, I'm thinking. I think that covers it. If there's anything that I missed, I will come back on and I will let you guys know. But I think for the most part, I think that's about it. And once again, thank you so much for joining me on Eric's Forecast. I'm your host, Eric, and I will be back in a half an hour. Come back and join me again in a half an hour. I should be back at 1:45 for the start of our forecast, and then we'll talk about uh, snow potentials and when we're going to see those snowstorms, and if there are more snowstorms after that, we will definitely find out about all of this exciting stuff. So please keep it tuned, and I'll see you guys in just a little bit. Well, we'll see everybody at 1:45. Thank you so much for joining me, and you guys have a great day. Please remember, please subscribe, like, comment. If you like my content, please let me know, and I will make sure that I have the comments section open so you guys can leave your comments, and then we'll see you guys again at 1:45, 2 o'clock this afternoon. Thank you so much. I'm your host, Eric. We'll see you guys then, and thank you for watching Eric's Weather Forecast. We'll have more coverage on the winter weather coming up in a little bit. We'll see you in a half an hour. Thank you so much for joining us, and I will respond to your guys' comments. Thank you so much. If there's any other suggestions that you guys can think of, other ideas that you would like me to possibly do, I will do everything that I possibly can to see if I can also add that in there. So please let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys in a half an hour. Thank you.